വായുമണ്ഡലം ഭൃശം ദൂഷിതം നഹി നിർമ്മലം ജലം കുൽസിതവസ്തുമിശ്രിതം ഭക്ഷ്യം സമലം ധരാതലം. വായുമണ്ഡലം ഭൃശം ദൂഷിതം നഹി നിർമ്മലം ജലം കുൽസിതവസ്തുമിശ്രിതം ഭക്ഷ്യം സമലം ധരാതലം. കരണീയം ബഹിരന്തർജഗതി തു ബഹുശുദ്ധീകരണം. കരണീയം ബഹിരന്തർജഗതി തു ബഹുശുദ്ധീകരണം. ബഹുശുദ്ധീകരണം. വായുമണ്ഡലം ഭൃശം ദൂഷിതം നഹി നിർമ്മലം ജലം കുൽസിതവസ്തുമിശ്രിതം ഭക്ഷ്യം സമലം ധരാതലം. കരണീയം ബഹിരന്തർജഗതി തു ബഹുശുദ്ധീകരണം. ശുചിപര്യാവരണം. I will read once more. വായുമണ്ഡലം ഭൃശം ദൂഷിതം നഹി നിർമ്മലം ജലം കുൽസിതവസ്തുമിശ്രിതം ഭക്ഷ്യം സമലം ധരാതലം. കരണീയം ബഹിരന്തർജഗതി തു ബഹുശുദ്ധീകരണം. ശുചിപര്യാവരണം. ശുചിപര്യാവരണം. Okay, this is the reading of this poem. We can check the splitting of this sloka, splitting of the words. Vayumandalam bhrisham dushitam na hi nirmalam jalam. All are separate word, but one thing, dear children, if you see any anuswaram top of a letter, that means there is a sandhi. There is one sandhi is there, and because Vayumandalam Bhrisham, this is a single word actually. When these words are split into two words, this lam will change into like this. Lam plus a Bhrisham. Okay, so this is a Vyanjana Sandhi. Wherever you see like that, you can see that Sandhi. In question paper, if you get a question end with a Anuswaram, that you have to write with a ma. That is the answer. Okay, if you look like that, in this sentence, there are, this is Sandhipadam, and Bhrisham Dushitam is Sandhipadam, Dushitam na is Sandhipadam, Nirmalam Jalam is also Sandhipadam. So 1, 2, 3, 4 Sandhipadam in first line. Misridam Bhakshyam is Sandhipadam, Bhakshyam Samalam Sandhipadam, Samalam Dharatalam is also Sandhipadam, and Karaniyam Behihi is also Sandhipadam. So wherever you are getting this Anuswaram, that Anuswaram will change to Ma. That Anuswaram will change to Ma plus the after plus letter, that word letter. Okay, that is also Sandhi. Otherwise, the Sandhipadam only here Bahirantarjagati. Only Bahirantarjagati. Here Behihi plus Antaha plus Jagati. Here what is happening here? Before plus Visargam, after plus vowel. So this Visargam will change into Ra. And after plus vowel is there, Ra plus A will join together Ra. Will Ra plus A is equal to Ra. This is the Ra here, Bahirantarjagati. When you split this Ra, we have to write Ra plus A. Okay, again this Ra will change into Visargam plus A. So this Visargam this one we can write Behihi plus Antaha. That's why this Visargam came here. Then next one is Antarjagati. Next one is Antarjagati. Antarjagati also we can write Antaha plus Jagati. Here also this Visargam will change into Rebham. But this Rebham, because of the after plus Ja. Okay, but this Ra will change into this curve. Okay, this curve on top of the after plus letter. Here after plus a ja. So on top of the ja, this letter will become one curve. Okay, this is known as a rebham, and this rebham will come there. So here visargam will change into, on the top of this ja, one rebham. So that is also visarga sandhi. This is also visarga sandhi. Okay, two visarga sandhi in bahir antar jagadi. So there are three words. So we told bahihi plus antaha plus jagadi. Tu bahu shuddhikaranam. These are the splitting of these words. So we can go to the Anvayam and Artham. Here Vayu Mandalam 1, Bhrisham 2, Dushidam 3. Okay, Asti. Here we have to end the word. So here we have to add a word, that is Asti. So Vayu Mandalam Bhrisham Dushidam Asti. Okay, then Nirmalam Jalam Na Hi, or Hi Nirmalam Jalam Na Asti. So Nirmalam is 4, Jalam is 5, and He we can write anywhere. Okay, no problem. He, then this is 7, and here also we can add Asti. Okay, that is 8 actually. So Nirmalam Jalam Hi Na Asti, or Na Asti Hi. Next Bhakshyam. Bhakshyam is 8. Then Kulsida Vastu Misridam is 9, single word. And Dharatalam. Dharatalam is 10, and Samalam is 11. Samalam Asti. Here also we have to add Asti. This Asti we can add there also after Samalam. Then Bahirandar Jagadi we can add it together. So that is 12. Bahirandar Jagadi Tu. Tu means certainly like he. So Bahu Shuddhikaranam is a single word. Okay, Bahu Shuddhikaranam actually single word. This single word we can write as 14. Bahirandar Jagadi. Then this one is 15. Karaniyam. Again we can add Asti. Okay, after each sentence we have to add Asti. So we can read once more the Anvayam. Vayu Mandalam Bhrisham Dushidam Asti, Nirmalam Jalam Hi Na Asti, Bhakshyam Kulsida Vastu Misridam Asti, Dharatalam Samalam Asti, Bahirandar Jagadi Tu Bahu Shuddhikaranam Karaniyam Asti. Shujivaryaavaranam is the next line. So this is the Anvayam. So we can check the meaning of each word and the sentence meaning of this stanza. Okay. Vayu Mandalam Vatavaranam, atmosphere. Bhrisham. Bhrisham means Adishayaha, very much. Dushidam. Dushidam means polluted. Asti, you know, is. So Asti means become or is. So Vayu Mandalam Bhrisham Dushidam Asti. Asti means is. What is? Dushidam Asti. It is polluted. It is polluted. How much? Bhrisham. Very much polluted. What is very much polluted? Vayu Mandalam Bhrisham Dushidam. Vayu Mandalam Bhrisham Dushidam Asti. The atmosphere is very much polluted. Atmosphere is very much polluted. Next sentence again Asti. Actually Nahi Asti. Na is there. Na Asti means not there. What is not there? Jalam na Asti. Water is not there. What kind of water? Nirmalam Jalam na Asti. He certainly. So what is meaning? Nirmalam means pure. So pure water not there. Surely pure water not there. Nirmalam pure, Jalam water, na asti hi, nahi asti. Both we can tell not there. So pure water is not there. Next one. Bhakshyam. Bhakshyam means food. Food is what? What kind of food? Kulsida vastu misridam. Kulsida vastu misridam. Misridam asti. Misridam means mixed. Here actually mixed we have to write the meaning here. Okay, mixed. Mixed with what? Kulsida vastu. Kulsida vastu means chemicals. Okay, which is not edible, which is preservatives, mixed with preservatives. What? Our food. Our food is mixed with chemicals and preservatives. Bhakshyam kulsida vastu misridam asti. Dharatalam samalam asti. Dharatalam samalam asti. Dharatalam means prithvi. Actually, Dharatalam means not prithvi. Dhara means prithvi. Dharatala means on the earth, the surface of the earth actually. Dharatalam, which we are living, okay, which we are living is surface of the earth now, that is a samalam. That is a samalam means a malayuktam, that means a polluted. The Dharatalam is polluted asti. The surface of the earth also polluted. So the what poet is trying to tell us, everything is polluted. The air which we are breathing is polluted. The water which we have to drink is polluted. And bhakshyam, the food which we have to eat, also polluted. And the earth, surface of the earth which we are living is also polluted. Samalam. So the air, water, food and the earth. Okay. Everything is polluted. So he is telling at last, Behihi, outside. Antarjagadi. Antarjagadi means the inner world. Outside and inside of the world. Behushuddhigaranam. Behushuddhigaranam means very, very deeply should be cleaned. Okay, karaniyam should be done. So, Behushuddhigaranam, cleaning, deep cleaning. Karaniyam means should be done. So, Karaniyam asti, should be done. What Karaniyam asti? Behushuddhigaranam Karaniyam, deep cleaning we have to do. It should be done, this deep cleaning. Where? Jagadi, in this world. In this world where? Behihi and Antaha. Outside and the inside. The Jagat should be cleaned very deeply. Then only we can live properly without any problem. Okay, that is his suggestion. Actually, the poet is by the word Andaha. Andar Jagadi means not actually the inside of the earth. Actually, not inside of the earth. Inside means inside of the human being. That means our thought. Mentioning. The poet is mentioning that the inside of a human being also. That means our thought. Our thought also we have to clear. We have to make clean. We have to change our thinking. We have to change our attitude. We have to clean outside and inside of this earth. That is the meaning of this. We can check the meaning once more in the next line. Vayumandalam bhrisham dushidam asti. Atmosphere is polluted very much. Nirmalam jalam nahi asti. There is no pure water. Bhakshyam kulsida vastu misridam asti. Food is mixed with preservative chemicals which is not edible. And dharatalam samalam asti. Surface of the earth is also very much polluted. Behirandar jagaditu. Behushuddhigaranam karaniyam. It is essential. It should be done to be cleaned the world inside and outside. Inside and ourselves also. Okay. Andar jagaditu behushuddhigaranam asti. This is the meaning of this stanza. We can go to the next stanza.